Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. And in this video I made this scrap layout 12 by 12. Use a heart punch from 3 inches, so these hearts are 3 inches, and the picture that I use on this page I punched also with my heart punch, and I placed the hearts, the picture that I punched out with my heart punch in the center of this scrapbook layout. But first I start stitching all the hearts together with some blue threads, and I use different kind of design papers from the Vicki Boutin collection, Color Study and Let's Wonder. So I combined two different collections from Vicki, and I'm very happy how it turned out. You can combine these collection perfect with each other, and I'm very happy how it turned out. So here I placed the hearts on top of each other in the center of the scrapbook layout, and when all the hearts are in place, I use some 3D foam to attach these hearts on my layout. I love all these layers that I created to stitch these hearts through the center with some dark blue threads, and here I place some perspectives on my scrapbook layout, and it will be the title, the words perspective moments, and I use some stars. So here I use some 3D foam to put all my hearts together on this layout, and then we go decorating further with die cuts, stickers, word strips, and of course the beautiful perspectives. So here I use the big globals from the perspectives, light blue globals, and they are a perfect match for this travel page. I made a picture on vacation, and it was in February, that was in Switzerland, and we went to a lake, and that's called Lac de Vaux, and it is so beautiful up there, and so I love this travel picture with the beautiful view on the mountains, and I think these globals are great for this page. I use different kinds of labels and word strips for this scrapbook layout, and I place them under my photo between the layers of the hearts, and I place some light blue stars random on my scrapbook layout. Here I use a ruler and a pencil, draw a line for the name of the lake that I spell here with black alphabet, and it's French, and you pronounce it as Lac de Vaux. And when the name of the lake is in place on my layout, I take eraser and I erase the pencil line of my layout, and then I go further with decorating my layouts. Here I add some extra die cuts at my scrapbook layout, and I use circle word strips and word die cuts, and I combine it with each other, and I think it looks very great to use different alphas or word strips to create a title of your scrapbook layout. And here I use glossy accents to glue the perspectives on my layout. And just look at this beautiful perspectives word moments. It's such an elegant font, and so happy that I can use it on this layout in combination with the beautiful light blue stars from Bramble Fox. So definitely I'm a big fan of perspectives, and you can combine these perfect with other collection. The colors of the perspectives are so great and beautiful, and you can combine this easily with other collections from other designers. So I think perspectives on your layout from Bramble Fox is just like a jewel for your outfit. So yes, definitely a big fan of the Bramble Fox perspectives, and happy that I can work with these beautiful eye catchers on your layout. So here I make some white splatters with white acrylic paint that I mix with a little bit of water, and I make some splashes with my brush. And when my white acrylic paint is dry, I made splatters with Distress Oxide. It's a new color price ribbon, and it's very cool dark blue, jeans blue colored Distress Oxide, and a perfect color that match with the dark blue hearts that I punch out from the Vicki Boutin color studio collection. So just I mixed the Distress Oxide with a little bit of water, and I splatter around by my brush. Here I look for some another word strip photo, so I made the so it's Wonderlactifo photo moments, and here I add some butterflies to my layout, and I cut these butterflies out from design paper, and I give them a spot on this layout, and I cut 3 butterflies, and I place them on my layout and by using some S-shaped tape. when my butterflies are in place, my layout is ready to go. So I want to thank you for watching this video that I made for Bramble Fox, and that I was able to inspire you with this layout. And of course, don't forget to check the Facebook group for Bramble Fox for more beautiful inspiration, which you can do with these beautiful perspectives. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube for another process video and use the gorgeous perspectives from Bramble Fox. For now, I wish you a beautiful and crafty day and see you next time. Bye bye.